Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 8505 Delmar, Suite F, or G. Is F? Yeah, Suite F and G. Keep having this back up, so I came out here, I ended up having to run out 25 feet. Put my camera in here, seeing a bunch of buildup. But I got it open now, so we're going to go ahead and put our camera back in here and see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out to the main out here, out in the front in the courtyard there. We'll have pull back, show what this looks like. Line, got a pretty good dive right here. Dropping pretty much straight down. Here we are at the top of the dive. It's turning and diving there. Alright, here we are at the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast into 6-inch PVC out here. You see that looks to be intact. They said earlier I got about 23 feet in here, 24 feet, and it was all gummed up and thick, real thick sludge buildup. I was able to cable it out with a 3-inch cutter to this 4-inch stack. As we come back, I'll show you here. We got a dive in the lines at double 90 at 90s down, dives down here, and dives back over. And this is where all the tissue buildup was hanging up. So I'm thinking all that tissue's hanging up on this cast iron here, and the water's out running the waste. And over time, we get a bunch of buildup in that double 90 there. I'm going to go ahead and locate, mark where this is at. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located this dive with these turns here in the line. Here we are at the bottom of it going out the building here. I've located this right there by the front window, 5 feet, 4 inches deep. And when I located from up here, about 2 feet, 9 inches deep. So it's taking a good little dive there. Keep pulling this back and show you what it looks like. Alright, so right here in the cast iron we got it's like a hole in the bottom there. Yeah, we definitely got a hole in the bottom of this cast iron here. I'm going to go ahead and locate this too. Be right back. So yeah, I've located this 2 feet 9 inches deep, right next to the paper shredder. We'll keep that pulling it back, show you with this line. We got another hole here. You see the bottom of the lines. Got a pretty good little hole in it there. Yep, we'll go ahead and this is well. Looks like this is where the crack kind of stops here, as much as best I could see. Go ahead and locate that also. I'll be right back. Yep, I went ahead and located that, so that's all good there. Here we are in some PVC. They've repaired this part before. Back in the cast iron, there's a turn there. And here we are, we got some more PVC where they've been repaired, and there's a Y here. This is the bottom of the sweep here. That's where the toilet cuts in that there. So, yep, I've located and marked that. Starts at 2 feet 9 inches deep, and then as it gets to the window, it goes about 5 feet deep after that dive. So, well, I recommend that cast iron repaired there and that dive redone. And, that's what you got. Alrighty, thank you.